The CR2023 battery is a tiny powerhouse. Despite its small size, it packs a punch and is incredibly reliable. It's shaped like a coin, hence the name coin cell battery. This design makes it perfect for fitting into small, compact devices. We find them in all sorts of devices like watches, calculators, and even medical devices. Their versatility is unmatched. And let's not forget car key fobs. These batteries are essential for the everyday gadgets we rely on. This little battery keeps these devices running smoothly and efficiently. Without it, many of our daily tools would be useless. It's important to put it together properly. Proper assembly ensures the battery functions correctly and safely. We're going to learn how to assemble a CR2023 coin cell battery. This process is fascinating and requires precision. It's like a mini science experiment. Each step is crucial to ensure the battery works perfectly. We'll go through each step carefully. From preparing the components to the final assembly, attention to detail is key. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it looks. With a bit of practice, anyone can master this process. By the end, you'll be a battery building pro. You'll have the skills to assemble these tiny powerhouses with confidence. Before we start building, we need the right tools and materials. It's like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients. For our battery, we'll need a CR2023 battery kit. This will have the cathode, anode, and separator. Electrolyte solution, this is the liquid that helps the battery make electricity. Tweezers, for picking up those tiny parts. A crimping tool, this helps seal the battery tight. And a multimeter, for checking if our battery works. Now comes the fun part, assembling our battery. This is where all the components we've prepared come together to create a functional power source. It's a delicate process that requires precision and care. First, we take the cathode, the positive side, and place it in the battery case. The cathode is crucial as it will store the lithium ions during the discharge cycle. Then, we carefully add the separator on top. The separator is a thin, porous membrane that prevents the electrodes from touching while allowing ions to pass through. The separator keeps the cathode and anode from touching, which is essential to prevent short circuits and ensure the battery functions correctly. Next, we add the electrolyte solution to the separator. The electrolyte is a liquid or gel that facilitates the movement of ions between the cathode and anode. Be careful not to use too much. The right amount of electrolyte is crucial for the battery's performance and longevity. Now it's time for the anode, the negative side. The anode will release lithium ions during the discharge cycle, completing the circuit. We gently place it on top of the separator, making sure it's centered. Proper alignment is key to ensuring the battery works efficiently. Our battery is almost ready. With all the components in place, we just need to seal the battery case and test it to ensure it works as expected. Remember, safety is important when working with batteries. Always prioritize your safety and the safety of those around you. Working with batteries involves handling chemicals and materials that can be hazardous if not managed properly. The electrolyte solution can be harmful if it gets on your skin or in your eyes. This solution is corrosive and can cause severe irritation or burns. It's crucial to handle it with extreme care and follow all safety protocols. Always wear gloves and safety glasses when handling it. Protective gear is your first line of defense against potential accidents. Make sure your gloves and glasses are in good condition and fit properly to provide maximum protection. If you do get any on your skin, wash it off immediately with soap and water. Don't wait, as the longer the chemical stays on your skin, the more damage it can cause. Use an emergency eye wash station if it gets in your eyes. Once the battery is sealed, it's safe to handle. The sealing process ensures that the hazardous materials are contained and won't pose a risk during normal use. However, always handle with care. But never try to open it up again. That can be dangerous. Opening a sealed battery can release harmful chemicals and cause injury. Always respect the integrity of the seal, and always dispose of old batteries properly. Improper disposal can lead to environmental contamination and health hazards. Use designated recycling bins, and follow local regulations for battery disposal. Now you know how to assemble a CR2023 coin cell battery. Science rules. With the right precautions and knowledge, you can safely and successfully complete your battery projects. Keep exploring and stay safe.